Guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now, by the end of this video, you're going to learn exactly the best swing trading strategy to make $1,000 every single week. So I hope you guys follow for all things trading. And if you want to learn more, like how to find these stocks, different strategies, the approach, all that stuff, check out our school. It's called the FAR Academy, where we teach people how to trade. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, or group chat. But more importantly, we teach you how to trade. It's not a get rich quick schema. It's not alerts or anything like that. Use code PRESALE to get 50% off. Do it now. One spot left for that code. I'll see you guys in there, and let's dive into this here. So over the past week here, we called out this stock, ticker symbol MU. This is Micron. Now, one of the main reasons I absolutely love this stock is we know generally where the support lines are. You can see that this stock loves using moving average lines, right? So it hit the yellow line, it hit this one, sold off and hit the blue one. These are EMA lines. These act as support, resistance. The blue line is the 90-day moving average line. The yellow's the 50, then the red's the 200. The main difference between them is the higher up you go, the harder the support's going to be. So the 90 is going to be stronger than the 50. The 200 is going to be stronger than the 90. So in order for us to go, okay, we should buy this, right? You need to find the support here. So as the stock sold off from 1255 all the way down to about 790, I knew we could be buying at a really, really good point because it's near and around that moving average line. We also looked at the RSI, which was trading for about a 33, which the last time it was trading for a 33 was when the stock was right here. And it literally went from 307 all the way up to $800 in a month and a half. So I knew we could get some sort of move going up. Then after that here, we drew out the general trend. You can see where it hit this line and we just had a hard time breaking above it. Then going to a lower time frame like the hourly or even the 4-hourly chart to draw these out is incredibly important here. And we can see here, even if we go to the hourly, that this stock was pretty much just selling off like crazy, and the support and resistance changed a little bit. So you can pretty much see if we start on top and we go all the way down, this was just using this white line as resistance. You can see it hit it, we had sell off, right? Even in here, if we go ahead and zoom in a little bit, right? It hit it. We had sell off here. Hit it in here. Sell off. Right? So I threw an alert above it and I go, okay, if the stock pops up, this could be a great entry point. The stock popped up. We had our first hourly candle form above it. Got near and around the 903.90 mark, setting stops below like 825. So the risk and reward behind this was really, really good because if we entered here, right, because by the time we were able to get in on this position right here, keeping our stops, right, let's go ahead and draw this out, keeping our stops below here for a possible push, right, back up to resistance levels is a 4-to-1 risk and reward, risking $4 or $1 essentially to make $4. So now as the trend changes, right, you can see we're already up. So now as this trend starts to change, we're going to keep our stop loss below this trend line right here. So if it dips down below this mark, we'll sell for a profit. But if it continues to hold and go up and up and up, we'll continue to hold the position and just adjust our stop and profit. So it's a simple strategy. It's a simple breakout strategy that works extremely well, guys. And we also looked at another stock here. Let's go Intel. We took a position with very similar situation, right? If we look at that hourly candle, right, you can see just that pure sell-off popped up above it, rallied its way up. The new trend has changed, right? So if we draw this out, looks something like this. So that's a simple strategy, guys, that works extremely well. And if you guys want to learn how to find these stocks, check out our school. It's absolutely fantastic. And I'll see you guys in there. And like, follow, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.